How to join a meeting in Google Meet. Open the Google Meet application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Normally, if somebody has sent you the link for the meeting, you can tap on it in order to join it directly. For example, I'm just going to the platform where the link is sent. You can see the link right over here. Tap on that particular link. Now automatically Google Meet will be opened. Tap on the option Join in order to join the meeting. You can see over here the meeting has been joined. Likewise, you can also join with the code. Tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. Enter your code over here. After you enter the code, tap on the option Join. Adjust the video and microphone settings. Tap on the option Join. You can see over here you've joined the meeting. Like this, you can join the meeting on Google Meet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.